Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with eBay for authentication checks and payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with eBay for authentication checks and payouts, start by visiting the eBay website. Log into your eBay account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Locate that account verification option within the settings menu. Click on Account Verification to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to receive a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the website. After successful verification, proceed to the Payouts section in your account settings. Here, you will need to set up your payout method. Choose your preferred payout option, such as PayPal or bank transfer. If choosing bank transfer, enter your bank details accurately. Submit your payout method for verification. eBay may require additional identification documents for security purposes. Follow the prompts to upload any required documents. Wait for eBay to review and approve your payout method. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation notification. You are now authenticated for authentication checks and can receive payouts from eBay. Make sure to keep your account information secure. Regularly check your account settings to ensure everything is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.